Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay, welcome back guys. We're just in the last of the sunset now. Sorry I missed the best bit. I was just working on the Skyline again. That's what we're doing today. Now I'm going to be trying to put, as you can see here, the rear boot or trunk, whatever you call this, strut that holds it up. I did them in the BMW a couple of weeks ago, but yeah, we're going to be trying to fix them. These are dead as, but these are a little different from normal because they got that on the top, so they're a little harder to replace. So I'll just explain to you what I'm going to be trying to do. I'm going to cut that little bit off, drill a hole through it, and then get one of these. I've found some new shocks. Hopefully they work, fingers crossed. That's why they came today, and that's why it's a little bit late doing the video, but I wanted to get them in today. Anyway, we're going to be trying to put these in, and what I'll do, I'll just show you here. If I unscrew that, oh, don't need that bit. There's thread on the end. Now if I put a nut on that, which I think I've got some nuts here. Yep, here. I'll see if I can do this. I put a nut on that, and the plan is to cut this off. I hope you can see this. Cut that off there. Cut that bit off there. Drill a hole through it. Put this through it. Put this up through it, and then put the nut on top, and then put it back in, and hopefully it works. Now, if that works, I will be very happy. So we're going to try and make it work anyway. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, I've got that one off there already, and I've just unbolted the top. This one's still in. I probably will need to set up a light because it's pretty dark. Anyway, I got these struts. I measured them to be like the closest to these ones as I could. If you can see that there. Yeah, it's pretty close. And the bottoms will pop in. These ones are very hard to get off, at least that one was anyway. I had to drill holes and stuff in it. I'll show you that in a sec. But yeah, that's that. And yeah, the plan to cut the top bit, if you can see that there, cut that off there, drill a hole in it, and put that through it. So pretty simple. Let's get into it, and hopefully by the end of this we'll have a working boot again, or trunk, or whatever you call it. Let's go. Okay, I've got the light set up now so you can see me, I hope. Yeah, as you can see there, I had to drill a few holes in that. This thing was in there tight, and it doesn't really give away any secrets as to how it could come off easier. So yeah, I probably will have to drill a bit to get that other one out, and I'll just need to chop that off there, which will be nice and easy to do. Oh, it's hot. Now all I gotta do is drill a hole through it. So we'll just let that cool down a little bit. Maybe while that cools down, I'll start trying to get that other side off. Oh, we'll see if that's enough. Alrighty, there we go. Came off, finally. You can see how hard that is. That is no easy task. Anyway, let's just chop this bit off. I just noticed these things have an L, so that's nice, and an R. so I don't get them mixed up. Sweet. Now I'll just drill a little hole in this. Alrighty, now that that's done, let's see how she fits on here. Oh, just like that. Guess just gotta try and get that as tight as you can. I guess in the future, if that had trouble winding loose, you could probably just nip a little weld in there. That'd see it stuck on there pretty good. Anyway, just like that. And that. Should try and get this back in, I think. Definitely like that. Okay, definitely goes in like that. And my two nuts. They're here. Pop that one on there. And that one down there. Alright, well, that was easy. That's tight. Alrighty, that's one in. Okay, that's the other side all in and done. The bottom bit just clicks in nice and easy. And yeah, that's it. I can even give that a little nip there. Not that it'll do much, but the whole thing just spins. But anyway, yeah, if you don't look too closely at that, you almost can't tell that that's any different from what it was before. So that's awesome. Well, they're in now and should be working just like a new one. Yep. She's all good. Goes down. Yeah, and then back up. Yeah, and just stays there. So that's awesome. Yeah, new shocks. Alrighty. Just close that. Now, I will just point out, if you can see this here, I got a little bit of a bump. I actually bumped it on the corner of that while it was up. I lifted my head up and went whack. So yeah, be careful of doing that. I don't recommend you do that. Anyway, I'll end the video there. As you can see, it's dark now. The sun's gone down. I've got my light out. It's actually really bright. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new for the boot of the, or the trunk, whatever you call it, of the 33 Skyline. They're the shocks that hold it up are a bit of a pest, and they're all old now. So what's that, like probably like 25 years old now. So anyway, they generally need replacing, and they can cost like a couple $100 from Japan if you want to get genuine ones. And this seems to work just as good, so it's a lot cheaper. Yeah, just try and find shocks. I think they're about 32 centimeters long or something like that. Make sure they're strong, because this is a pretty heavy boot. And yeah, I guess just go from there. Anyway, oh, I gotta wipe this off. Yeah, I guess share this around if you want. Share it with your friends so they know what to do to fix up their cars. And I don't know if you can do this with any other cars, but yeah, it's a good little thing to fix some worn out struts. And like, if you've seen my other video, I did them on the Beamer not that long ago. They were much easier and much cheaper to get. So anyway, yeah, share it around if you want, like it if you want, leave a comment if you want, anything I missed or something like that. And yeah, I'll see you around, and stay tuned for what's up next. I'm sure we'll be doing something with the cars. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Yeah, bye for now.